Bitcoin is still consolidating inside of this range over here. We are still perfectly holding above this level of support, trading inside of a new weekend. However, many people are starting to panic right now because yes, Bitcoin has been dumping in that short term. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. This is going to be a massive Bitcoin warning. Are we still going to be seeing this Christmas rally? Trump is about to be entering the office in less than a month right now, so need to be talking about that, about the altcoin season and much more. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin is still holding above this level of support. We are trading inside of a new weekend, and usually always Bitcoin tends to just consolidate around that semi-close price, which in this case is sitting at the 94.3k level. You can be seeing it in each and every single weekend playing out again and again, that Bitcoin just consolidates at around that semi-close price. But if it doesn't and we create a CME gap, then we fill up that CME gap very quickly. So yeah, consolidation at around that CME close price once again is just going to be very likely, like we have been seeing in the past. But if we're going to be creating any kind of a big move during the course of the weekend, well, eventually we are just going to be filling it very quickly again. Now, anyways, Bitcoin has been dumping towards the downside. Bitcoin has been looking very weak, and Bitcoin has been getting this rejection from this massive level of resistance. And definitely, if we're going to be zooming out, if we're going to be having a look into a bigger picture, definitely these signals over here are not looking very good. We're getting our Bitcoin 2021 cycle top pattern right now exactly repeating. We are getting this bearish divergence on that weekly time frame. We are getting this level of resistance exactly being touched, and also at the same time global liquidity is right now decreasing. So definitely that longer term at the first sight is not looking very good. Many people are starting to panic right now, but like I've exactly been showing you, I think that this is going to be a massive trap. Do not get fooled, because I do not think that this Bitcoin cycle top is in yet. Having a look into the cycle timing, well, we are not in our topping out region just yet, so no reason to be worried over here. On top of that, if we're going to be having a look into on-chain indicators, well, these on-chain indicators are also not suggesting that we are hitting a top just yet over here. Looking at the MVRV Z-score and looking at the Newport chart indicator. And even on top of that, well, we haven't really had an altcoin season just yet. Now, I will be talking about that exactly a little bit later, but because of all of these reasons, I do not think that the Bitcoin top is in just yet. And yes, there are some major warning signals right now playing out on the Bitcoin chart, but I do not think that we should be getting fooled, and I just think it is going to be a massive trap. Now, in that imminent short term, we are also looking rather a little bit more weak, falling down below this level of support over here. But still, if we're going to be having a look into this level and this level over here and even this level over here, we're still perfectly fine. We're still perfectly holding it. So in my opinion, no reason to be worried over here. As long as Bitcoin is still going to be holding above this level of support, I do not think we should be getting worried. Now, if we're going to be falling down below this level, then I definitely do think we're going to be falling a little bit deeper in towards this level over here, that 90k towards the 92.5k level, which is going to be a level of interest for me. If we're going to be dipping in towards this level over here, I'm definitely going to be interested in opening up some positions on Bitcoin. Now, what is going to be very important to keep in mind is that many people are starting to panic right now, and we can clearly see this in the Bitcoin funding rates. They are even trading negative over on Bybit. They're trading negative over on OKX. Majority of the Bitcoin traders are right now getting fearful. They are shorting the market, and usually Bitcoin always does the opposite of what the majority of the Bitcoin traders are doing. Right now they're trading short, so it is going to be very likely that we are going to be getting another short squeeze, and we're just going to be getting another move towards the upside. Now, do realize that there is a lot of liquidity also sitting below this previous low over here, below that 92.1k level. So maybe we're just going to be grabbing that liquidity first of all, and then see the push towards the upside. So that is also exactly going to be the reason that if Bitcoin comes down below this previous low over here, below that 92.5k level, well, then a lot of liquidity is going to be getting shaken out of the market, and that is going to be my area of interest, and then I'm definitely going to be expecting a bigger bounce. Because yeah, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this strong and strong uptrend. And as long as Bitcoin is going to be holding above this uptrend over here, I will still remain to be bullish on Bitcoin. I still do think that we are going to be getting another leg towards the upside. Of course, do keep in mind the trend is your friend. Right now, all of the traders are flipping fearful at the bottom of this trend. So yeah, whenever all of the weekends are shaken out, well, that is going to be the moment where we can be headed higher again. And that is exactly happening right now, in my opinion. Now, on top of that, in less than a month, Trump is going to be entering office. This is going to be having a major, massive bullish effect on the Bitcoin market or even the financial markets in general. So let's see. I do think that in a few days leading in towards this event, we're definitely going to be seeing some huge pumps towards the upside. And also after the event as well, we're also going to be seeing some huge pumps towards the upside. So even if Bitcoin is going to be falling down below this support over here, and in a short term, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a crash, I do think that eventually we are still going to be catching up, and eventually we're still going to be seeing this move towards the upside. So if Bitcoin is going to be falling down below, if Bitcoin is going to be seeing a correction over here, I just think that this correction is going to be a massive opportunity, and I'm definitely going to be buying that opportunity. So anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming 100,000 US dollars in deposit bonuses. So make sure to check out that first link down below, sign up a new account right now, and claim your free bonuses. Now, talking about the altcoins, well, I think altcoin season has already actually started over here, but the real altcoin season is yet to be started. The real parabolic altcoin season, where everything is about to be exploding with 20% or 30% every single day, that is about to start right now, in my opinion. Just purely having a look based on towards time, the timing of this cycle is just exactly repeating right now, and Q1 is about to be starting. Of course, Bitcoin usually tends to perform the best in Q4, but Ethereum always performs the best in Q1. And if Ethereum performs well, all of the altcoins will perform well. And on top of that, even 1 year after a halving year, always in Q1, Ethereum has been exploding towards the upside. So it is about to be starting once again. In just a few days, Q1 is about to be starting. This is about to be mega bullish for Ethereum, and whenever Ethereum is going to be exploding, all of the altcoins are about to explode. So yeah, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. I guess I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.